Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Note 9 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can make wallpapers changing automatically on your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 9. First, go to the settings and click on wallpaper. Here, select wallpaper services and turn on the button dynamic lock screen. Here, click on this gear icon and click on select category. Here select any category that is to be displayed while changing your wallpaper automatically when you press the lock screen button. I have selected live. It will be downloading and it will be applied. Just wait few seconds for downloading and applying. Yes, it's applied now. Now go to home screen and put lock screen, and when you press each time lock screen button, there will be a changing wallpaper in your phone that is in your home screen. So in this way you can easily make wallpaper changing automatically in your phone Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Again, I go to the settings and click on wallpaper, click on wallpaper services. And if you want to change other category, you can do it. Otherwise, you can uninstall the previous one. If you select none, no wallpaper will be changing automatically when you press lock screen. See here. Click on none and click on apply. Now put the lock screen. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.